Now we're going to see if we can figure out if these examples are arithmetic or geometric sequences, and then we're supposed to find the next number. So it's a little bit of trial and error. We're going to start by, I always start by seeing if it's arithmetic or not. So is there a way that I can get from 2 to 4 by adding? Well, I could add -2, right? If I add -2, I'd get to 4. And how about if I carry that pattern on? 4 plus a -2, that does not get me to 8. So I know that it's not going to be that pattern. Is there a way I can multiply a geometric sequence? Well, if I multiply 2 times 2, that would give me 4. And 2 times 4 is 8. So yeah, this is a geometric. And the next one would be 8 times 2, which is 16. Looking at example B, we're going to start the same way. Is there a way that I can add something to -2 to get to 1? Well, I could add 3 to get to 1, and then 1 plus 3 is 4. Hey, this is a arithmetic sequence. What would be my next number? 4 plus 3? That would be 7. Down here, example C, what can I add to get from -3/4 to 0? I would add 3/4, right? -3/4 plus 3/4, that'd be 0. Plus a 3/4, hey, that's 3/4. So this must be arithmetic. What would be my next number in the pattern? Well, it would be 3/4 plus 3/4, which would be 6/4. But that's not as simplified as it gets. What is 6/4? 6/4 simplified would be 3/2. My final example. What can I add to -5 to get to 10? Well, to get to 10 from -5, I would have to add 15, right? -5 plus 15, that'd get me 10. What about 10 plus 15? That would be 25. So that's not going to work. Let's talk about what I can multiply. -5 times what would get me 10? -2. And -2 times 10 is -20. This is geometric. And the next number would be +40. Now, I could have told myself right away that this was geometric. And the reason I know that this is geometric right away is because it switches from a negative sign to a positive sign to a negative sign. And remember I said anytime that we switch signs, we're multiplying by a negative number. And multiplying is always geometric. That's the end of our last lesson in the unit. So good luck on your upcoming test.